How to slide left on iPhone broken screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow you to customize and control your device's features. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on the Accessibility option. In the Accessibility menu, scroll down to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. On the next screen, tap on AssistiveTouch at the very top. Here, turn on the AssistiveTouch switch as shown. Now, scroll down to the Pointer Devices section and tap on Devices. Finally, tap on Bluetooth devices to start searching for available devices to pair. Your iPhone will now automatically look for nearby Bluetooth devices. Following these steps, you can easily slide left on an iPhone broken screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.